Hello, everyone. This is my review of the Grifarny Coworker Tumbler, gift tumbler. You can get this for a coworker that's leaving. My sister has got this for a coworker that's leaving her job, and she wants to give him this tumbler. It's it has a sealable cap that screws on and off with a seal in there to keep your beverages from leaking out. It also comes with a metal straw, a straight straw, and it has a metal bench straw with it as well. And it comes with a cleaning brush, so you can clean inside the straws as well. And also, it has a keychain that reads "Good luck finding better coworker than us." So this is a great gift idea, and I hope this review helps.